That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and the Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be wrong, I may be right, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that as you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, she wore a frown. How could she know that we were so in love? That hold on world turned upside down. Streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. That lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, she wore a frown. How could she know that we were so in love? The whole darn world turned upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.